guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Nancy from NancyBadillo.com, and welcome to another episode of Etsy Lingo. So on this episode, I wanted to talk about what is drop shipping. It's something that a lot of people are sometimes are confused about it, or I get a lot of questions about drop shipping. What exactly does it mean? What exactly how does it work? So I figure I'll go ahead and add it to the Etsy lingo, since it's something that majority of Etsy sellers actually use. So I figure let me just go ahead and do a quick rundown on what drop shipping is. So drop shipping is basically a way that you could sell a physical product that you're going to mail out to a customer without even having to own a storefront, or you could have one like Etsy, but you don't necessarily need one, or having to have the inventory sitting at your home. So that's what drop shipping is. It's basically you're selling a service or a product and you don't necessarily have the inventory at home. You normally, how drop shipping works is that you normally will buy the product from a third party, and that third party will be in charge of shipping out the product directly to the customer with your branding. So for instance, there's a company called Printify, and you could pretty much create a design and put your design on their products. So you could put your design on a shirt, you could put your design on an iPhone case, or even a Canva or a regular poster. So the customer buys the shirt from you with the design. You purchase the shirt from the third party, and you add your design on top of that shirt. They ship out the shirt with your design to the customer with your branding. So the customer will never know that you actually purchased the shirt from a third party. The customer thinks it is automatically coming from your Etsy shop, because when that third party, like Printify, when they ship it out, they put your name, they put your store name. So everything is branded as if you did the shirt from your own home or warehouse and that you shipped it out. So that's what drop shipping is. A lot of people make a lot of money with drop shipping, whether it's through Etsy, whether it's through Facebook ads. A lot of people sell stuff using Facebook ads, and then from there they drop ship it. They don't have to. They're like the middleman. They don't have to ship anything out. They don't have to go to the post office. They don't have to do anything additional besides provide the design, provide the lead, and close out the sale. So hopefully this tutorial came in handy. If you like my videos, make sure to give me a thumbs up. If you have not done so, make sure to subscribe to my channel to stay tuned for more videos like this, Etsy tutorials, Etsy shop critiques, and more and much more. Thank you guys for watching, and have a wonderful day.